Replacing old or damaged windows can completely transform your home, improving comfort, reducing energy bills, and enhancing curb appeal. However, one of the first decisions homeowners face is whether to handle the project themselves or hire a professional. While a DIY window replacement might seem like an appealing way to save money, it's important to understand what's involved. On the other hand, professional window installation provides peace of mind, expert craftsmanship, and long-term reliability. To help you decide which option is best for your home, let's break down the pros and cons of both approaches. The DIY window replacement approach for homeowners who enjoy tackling home improvement projects. Replacing windows yourself might seem like a manageable task. However, while DIY installation can work for smaller, straightforward projects, it comes with significant challenges, especially if you're replacing multiple windows or upgrading to new energy-efficient designs. The benefits of DIY window replacement: cost savings on labor. One of the biggest advantages of DIY installation is eliminating professional labor costs. If you already have the right tools and some construction experience, you could save a few $100s per window in labor fees. Flexible scheduling. When you handle the project yourself, you can work at your own pace, fitting it around your personal schedule rather than waiting for an installer's availability. Personal satisfaction. Completing a home project with your own hands can be rewarding, especially if you enjoy learning new skills and seeing visible results. The drawbacks of DIY window replacement: installation errors can be costly. Even small mistakes, such as misaligning the frame or failing to seal properly, can lead to air leaks, water damage, or reduced energy efficiency. These errors can cause more expenses in the long run than hiring a professional in the first place. Limited tools and expertise. Professional window installers use specialized tools to ensure precision and safety. Most homeowners don't have access to this equipment, which increases the likelihood of improper installation. Warranty and insurance issues. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty coverage. A DIY job may void your warranty, meaning you'll have to cover repair or replacement costs if something goes wrong. Time and effort. Installing windows is time-consuming, especially for someone without experience. A job that takes professionals a few hours could take a weekend, or more, for a DIYer. The professional window replacement option: hiring certified professionals ensures your windows are installed correctly, efficiently, and in compliance with local building codes. While it requires a larger upfront investment, the benefits often outweigh the cost difference. The benefits of professional installation: expert craftsmanship and precision. Professionals are trained to measure, fit, and install windows accurately, ensuring proper alignment, insulation, and sealing. This prevents common problems like drafts, condensation, or premature wear. Energy efficiency: proper installation is key to maximizing the performance of energy-efficient windows. A tight seal helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduces energy loss, saving you money on heating and cooling. Warranty protection: most professional installers are certified by manufacturers, meaning your installation automatically qualifies for warranty coverage. This adds an extra layer of protection for your investment. Time savings and convenience: with a professional crew, window replacement is completed quickly and efficiently, minimizing disruption to your daily life. Experts also handle cleanup and disposal of your old windows. Compliance and safety: professional installers ensure your new windows meet local building codes and safety requirements. This is especially important for impact-resistant or egress windows required in certain regions. Potential drawbacks: higher upfront cost. Professional labor adds to the total expense, though the long-term benefits, energy savings, warranty, and fewer repairs, often offset this. Scheduling flexibility: you'll need to coordinate installation times, which may take a few days or weeks depending on the contractor's schedule. Which option is right for you? If you have experience with home improvement projects, access to the right tools, and a straightforward window replacement, a DIY approach might be manageable. However, if you value long-term performance, warranty protection, and peace of mind, professional installation is almost always the better choice. In most cases, homeowners find that professional window replacement delivers superior results, both in appearance and performance. The installation is faster, safer, and ensures your windows perform at their best for years to come. Final Thoughts window replacement is a significant home improvement project that impacts your home's comfort, efficiency, and value. While DIY installation can save money initially, it comes with risks that may cost more in the long run. Choosing professional window installation ensures your investment is protected and your home benefits from expert craftsmanship. You'll enjoy windows that look beautiful, perform efficiently, and stand up to the elements, without the stress of doing it yourself. When it comes to something as important as your home's windows, professional installation isn't just an option, it's the smart choice.